Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po'y mag-share po ng salita ng Diyos. Ikaw ba ay mananampalataya kay Kristo? O naniniwala ka ba sa Diyos? Ngayon, ito po ay huwag mong kalimutan na verse. Kung ikaw ay believer ng Panginoon, sabi po dito sa Isaiah 54 verse 17, "No weapon that is formed against thee shall prosper, and every tongue that shall rise against thee in judgment thou shalt condemn. This is the heritage of the servants of the Lord, and their righteousness is of me, said the Lord." So, dito po, no weapon, sabi po dito, no weapon that is formed against thee shall prosper. So, the enemy cannot do anything to harm you. They cannot. Why? Because sabi po dito na walang kaaway, walang armas na pwedeng na pwedeng manakit sa iyo. Even the tongue, sabi po dito, "And every tongue that shall rise against thee in judgment thou shalt condemn." Kahit na anong mga masasama na mga sasalita or condemning you, lahat ng mga sasalita na bibitawan nila sa iyo, ang lahat ng yon ay walang silbi, walang kapangyarihan. Hindi sila pwedeng magwagi. They cannot harm you, they cannot condemn you, they cannot judge you, because this is the heritage of the servant of the Lord. Ito yung ating pong mana o ating pong kapangyarihan na naibigay sa atin ng Panginoon. Dahil sabi po dito na this is the heritage of the servants of the Lord, and their righteousness is of me. Ang katwiran ng Diyos ay nasa atin po na ibinigay ng Panginoon. So ibig pong sabihin, "And the righteousness is of me," said the Lord. So your righteousness is not yours. The righteousness is come from the Lord Jesus Christ. Kaya kung ikaw ay dumaranas ng mga pagsubok, dumaranas ng atake ng kaaway, you know and believe that no weapon formed shall come against you, shall prosper. Ito ay para sa mga mananampalataya. Tayo lahat ay magwawagi at hindi po tayo matatalo at hindi kailanman mananalo ang kaaway. Because 1 John 4:4, "Greater is He, you are of God's little children." Sabi po doon, because greater is He that is in you than he that is in the world. Mas malakas po yung nasa atin. Ano po yung nasa atin? Ang Panginoong Hesus nasa atin po. Nasa ating pong puso, nasa ating pong buhay. Ang banal na Espiritu ay kasama po natin. He will never leave you nor forsake you. At mayroon pong anghel na ipapadala lagi ang Panginoon na siya yung tutulong sa atin. Because the ministry of the angels is given to the heirs of the salvation, yung mga na-save po ng Panginoon. So, nawa po ay ikaw ay pinagpala sa mensaheng ito. Just believe in God at huwag kang magsawa na manalangin, magtiwala sa Kanya, dahil walang magagawang kaaway. Kung ikaw ay nasa Panginoon, ikaw ay lulukuban ng Panginoon ng Kanya pong protection. Sabi nga ng salita ng Diyos na you are under the shadow of His wings. In His shadow, lulukuban po tayo ng Kanya pong protection. And God bless you all. And Merry Christmas to everyone.